I spent the last 4 weeks building a startup idea that might fail. Here's what I learned. You see, up until a few weeks ago, I've been working on a small research project looking at the online presence of Somali businesses. When I learned, many of them don't actually have a website. Most of them just have a Facebook page, maybe an Instagram page, which is certainly interesting because we're not in 2007 anymore. There's Wix, Squarespace, Webflow, even Lovable if you want to just have AI create the app for you. So why aren't most of these business owners utilizing them? Maybe they don't see the value of having a website. Maybe they don't know how to navigate the UIs of Squarespace, Wix, and Webflow. I mean, they do solve the I don't know how to code problem, but you still need to understand how websites work and even have some sort of design sensibility. This is why you will find people who get paid to create custom Squarespace sites. Since many of these businesses have a Facebook page, what if I built an app that made building a website feel like a Facebook page? You just simply enter a few details about your business, the about, the story, the menu, the services, yada 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 yada, and we just build it for you. Or the app builds it for you. And while we're at it, we make the UI of the app as well as the website both have first-class Somali language support. That way, you can always just translate whatever is on the screen by clicking a button. And we give every website a subdomain. That way, they don't have to buy a custom domain name if they don't want to. It's a cute idea. 5 weeks in, I have 2 problems. The first is the actual websites, right? If I build a few templates and themes for each category and just spin that up for them, then users will want more options. They would want to customize it. They would want their website to look a bit more unique than the next guy's. If I create many options, like a bunch of different templates, different designs, different moods, and even have some sort of customizability, then it defeats the whole purpose of simple way to get a website sort of thing. The other problem I have is the business model. How will it work? Will I make users pay? If so, how much? And are they paying for the simplicity? Are they paying for the website? Are they paying for features? What exactly are they paying for? What is the actual problem I'm solving? I think I'm overthinking this, and I think I'm going back to square one. I don't know. Maybe we make it free and we just display ads on their websites, but then how would those ads be relevant? Or would we use Google Ads? And then wouldn't it just look ugly afterwards? Honestly, I have no clue. Which is why I'm making this video. What do you think I should do? If you're new here, my name is Anas. I build business ideas and see if they stick. A lot of them fail, honestly, but one of these days they might actually work. And until then, I'm going to be making films about it. So you might as well follow along and see where we end up. Bye.